Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Bagil, roll number 2002262. My GD topic is atomic spectra. Atomic spectra objectives. Determine the emission spectrum of hydrogen and other elements. Calculate the expected wavelength of hydrogen using the Rydberg equation. Determine the composition of unknown solutions using flame termination. Atomic spectra experiment. Part A, hydrogen emission spectrum. Part B, emission spectrum of other element. Part C, flame test, organic and inorganic. Part A, calculate the wavelength of hydrogen and compare them to the hydrogen line spectrum from a scanning spectrophotometer. The hydrogen line spectrum contains only a few discrete wavelengths in the visible region. There are only 4 wavelengths. Hydrogen spectrum, the Balmer series. In 1885, John Jacob Balmer analyzed the hydrogen spectrum and found that hydrogen emitted 4 bands of light within the visible spectrum. His empirical formula for the visible spectral lines of the hydrogen atom was later found to be a special case of Rydberg formula devised by Johannes Rydberg. Calculating the Balmer and Lyman series. As noted earlier, the 4 bands of light calculated by Balmer could be simply calculated using the Rydberg equation. V equal to R multiplied by 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Part B, emission spectrum of other compounds using the star spectrophotometer. View the line spectrum through the star spectrophotometer. Point arrow towards the light and view to the left. Verify that the scale is lined up accurately by looking at the fluorescent light. In addition of other lines, you should see a green doublet of mercury at 570 nanometer. Measure the line spectrum of the gas tube set up in room 201. Emission spectra complement absorption spectra. The emission spectrum we see in the complement to the mysterious dark lines in the sun's spectrum. It is now possible to identify the chemical composition of elements and distant objects like sun and other stars. This is because the Fraunhofer lines in the solar spectrum were due to the absorption of light by the atoms of various elements in the sun's atmosphere. Part C, flame test, organic compounds. Bilstein test. If the clean copper wire is coated with a halogen containing compound and placed in a flame, the presence of the halogen is revealed by a green to blue color. It is often possible to distinguish between chlorine, bromine and iodine based on the color of the flame. Flame test. The test used in the identification of certain elements. It is based on the observation that light emitted by any element gives a unit spectrum when passed through a spectroscope. Thank you.